Over the years, countless individuals have come to me demanding proof. They questioned whether the human imagination is truly the creative power. They demanded evidence of the senses. They sought certainty. They wanted me to justify the law to them. Yet I have never asked you to believe what I tell you. I do not ask you to accept it on my authority. I ask only that you test it, then judge it by the results. Do not reject it before you have tested it. If it does not work, discard it, but first put it to the test. For the law of assumption is not proven by argument or by the reasoning mind. It proves itself in its own objectification. Many believe the skeptic is the most difficult to reach. I do not find this to be so. The skeptic can still test it. He can still discover the truth of it. The truly difficult one is the man who refuses to experiment. He demands proof before he will apply the law. He demands certainty before he will make the assumption. He wants the evidence of the senses before he will dare to assume. But that is not the way of the law. No scientist would demand proof before he is willing to make an experiment. He makes the experiment first, then he examines the results. The assumption comes first, the proof follows. Yet many approach this law in the opposite manner. They insist upon evidence before they will make the experiment. And because they never make the experiment, they never discover the truth of it. If I could prove it to you, it would be my proof, not yours. And that is why I cannot present the proof that many demand. The proof must come through your own testing, not through my testimony. You are not asked to test another. You are asked to test yourself. You must prove it through your own experience. Begin with something simple. I do not ask you to begin with wealth. I do not ask you to begin with fame. Begin with a simple experiment. Imagine that you are climbing a ladder. Feel the ladder beneath your hands. Feel your feet upon its rungs. Do it night after night. Then watch what happens. 1,000 testimonies will not convince you as completely as a single personal experience. One successful application of the law is worth more than 100 lectures, for then you know, not because I told you so, not because another has testified. You know because you have experienced it. And so when a man asks, "Can you prove it?" I ask, "Have you dared to assume?" For what value is another man's proof if you remain bound by the evidence of your senses? It must become your own experience. For an assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. That is the law. The facts of today are the dead assumptions of yesterday, objectified. Change the state, and the world must reflect that state. This is why I do not debate. Argument changes no one. Only a change in consciousness changes man. Do not accept this teaching simply because I tell it to you. Do not reject it because your rational mind questions it. Test it. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, this very night.